Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber B and I cover all things home organization, home decor, and lifestyle. Wow, you just don't want to sit down. So be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you are new here. I would love to have you guys a part of the family. Today I am going to be doing some spring cleaning. I'm actually going to be starting a spring cleaning series on my channel, so be sure to hit that bell notification so you guys can get notifications for that. But what better way to start this series than now, because you know it's like day 14 of the quarantine and you know I just kind of run out of things to do. So definitely what better time than now to just kind of do some projects around my apartment and just do things that I've been putting off, which is what I'm going to be doing today. And it is my oven. So I'll probably do different areas and tackle different areas like for this spring cleaning series. I don't know how many videos is gonna come out of this. I'm just gonna kind of feel my way through this. But I definitely wanna know how you guys feel about the spring cleaning series in the comment section down below. So be sure to let me know, because you guys seem to like the cleaning videos on my channel. So I will continue to do them. So anyway, like I said, today I am gonna be cleaning my oven, but I'm not gonna be cleaning my oven with product that I have bought from the store. Honestly, like, oven cleaner is too harsh. The self-cleaner thing on the oven that's already programmed, like, it smokes up your house. So I'm gonna try like a DIY type of cleaner that I found on Pinterest. Hopefully it works. I'm kind of scared that it isn't gonna work, but we will see. So it is really just vinegar, which I got, and baking soda. So pretty simple, easy. I'll show you guys how I make it and I'll leave the recipe down below in the description box. But yeah, I'm kind of embarrassed because I haven't cleaned my oven for actually since I've been here. So that's been like a strong year. Yeah, so I'm scared. It's dirty. I'll show you guys. I'm embarrassed by it, but it needs to be clean. I've been avoiding it. I've been meaning to do it for about like months and months now. Maybe 6 months ago I probably should have done it, but you know, now I can't make excuses about things not getting done. So I have a whole month of quarantine in my apartment, so I'm gonna get things done, including my closet, which I've probably been promising you guys this video for the longest, probably in every other organization video that I make. I'll probably actually do a video organizing our closet. I'm probably or definitely gonna do that too as a part of my spring cleaning series that I'm doing on my channel. So stay tuned for that, because that is gonna be an interesting project. It really is, because my closet is a hot mess. But anyway, I'm gonna eat my tacos first before I do this, and then I'll come back to you guys and show you how I am gonna make this DIY cleaning product for my oven. But let me show you what the oven looks like first so you guys can see the before and then obviously the after, if it works. Hopefully this works, because if it doesn't work then I don't know what else to do. Like, I'm screwed. So let me show you how it looks. So here is my oven. Like I said, it is definitely a hot mess right now. It hasn't been cleaned in a year. I mean, it's pretty gross. So I am gonna do that today. It's really, honestly, it has been bothering me more because I've been cooking more in the house. And so, yeah, I just need to get that done. It's kind of disgusting. All right, so I'm gonna start by making this DIY mix for my oven cleaner. So this recipe that I found on, I can't get this open. There you go. Anyway, this recipe that I found on Pinterest calls for a half a cup of baking soda followed by 3 tablespoons of water, and then I can use like a vinegar spray, I think, after, or just spray the vinegar on top of like the kind of like more tough spots, and then paste this will be kind of like a paste consistency, so place rather the paste on the tough spots in the oven. So let's see how this turns out. I'm gonna use this mason jar that I really don't use to probably put it in or dip my little sponge in while I'm cleaning, because I don't want to dip the sponge into this because I use this to cook, but I'm gonna use this to measure. All right, so that's about a half a cup. And then I am gonna add 3 tablespoons of water to this. All right, so to be honest, I'm probably gonna add more water because it's just a little too chunky for me. So I added, I feel like about maybe 1/3, I don't know. Now it may be a little too, like it's not pasty enough. So I'm just gonna kind of add a little bit more baking soda until it is more pasty. All right, I think that's a good consistency. So I probably would do maybe like, I don't know, like 6 tablespoons of water instead of what the Pinterest recipe told me. I feel like, I don't know, that way it's able to kind of stick to the sponge and I'm just easily able to apply the cleaner. Oh, I need to put the vinegar in the spray bottle. So I have a spray bottle that I previously had from like an all-purpose cleaner that I bought from Target. And I figured it was empty or just about to be empty, so I used the rest of the product. And I'm gonna put the vinegar in here. Okay, so now my vinegar is in my spray bottle. Oh, I hate the way that vinegar smells. Am I the only one? Comment down below. Like, I just hate it. Now I am going to just spray some of the vinegar, and I need to take these racks out of the oven to clean them. Oh my god, look how dirty they are, y'all. Oh, I'll probably have to soak these. So I'll probably soak these in the same like little solution that I'm doing for the oven, and just gonna do like a little spray in there. I need to turn the oven light on so I can see. Yes, look how dirty that is, y'all. I mean, it's kind of embarrassing for sure. So now I'm gonna apply the paste that I made with just regular like sponge, and I have gloves on because I don't want to get this paste all over my hands. Good morning. So it is the next day because I was super tired. I let the solution that I made for the oven sit for about I want to say like 2 hours or so, and then I scrubbed it. It was definitely difficult because, like I said, I hadn't cleaned this oven in about a year. So definitely difficult. I had to use kind of like a makeshift scraper to scrape off some of the tougher stains, but I am actually very pleased with the result. I will say the racks in the oven were so difficult to clean. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna try to, I let them soak overnight. I had to like just like a weird thing I had to do. I had to put them in the bathtub and let them soak because they were too big to put in my sink. Even though my sink is pretty deep, they were just too big. So in order for me to let the entire rack soak, I had to put them in the bathtub, and I am going to disinfect my bathtub. Don't worry after. But look at the oven now, guys. Like, look how good this looks compared to what it did look like. I'm gonna actually put the before on the screen, and I mean, you can just see like it just is no comparison. So anyway, of course, there are some tough stains still there, so I am going to spray some solution, let it sit for another hour or so, scrub that off, and then do kind of like a water wash where I'll just take like a spray bottle and of water and spray the oven and then wipe it down with a towel to make sure all of the product and all of the, because there is some like residue from the baking soda still on some parts of the stove. So I definitely want to make sure I get all of that off. I don't know, this little product, DIY little project product, like may be actually, I don't know, useful. So I would probably say maybe an 8 out of 10, maybe. If your stove isn't that dirty like mine was, it probably would be a 10 out of 10, but because my stove was super dirty and it's no one's fault but mine, I'm just gonna say that now, it was 8 out of 10. I needed something a little bit, you know, tougher, but you know, I had like a little scraper. Like I said, I definitely recommend that for the tougher stains in your oven, so I could scrape some of the, I guess, residue. So anyway, I am gonna stop rambling and I am gonna go ahead and spray some vinegar solution on those tough spots because I ran out of a baking soda. I used some of it for the racks too, and I only had a small thing, so yeah, I'm struggling here. So vinegar it is. I'm gonna use vinegar for the rest of the stuff, and then I'm gonna clean the racks and I'll show you guys the finished product. Let's go. All right, so I have some vinegar solution that has been sitting for an hour, and now I am going to attempt to scrub some of the rest of this stuff, or just kind of the gunk, with the sponge. So wish me luck. All right, you guys, I'm pooped. So this is what it's gonna be. Honestly, it looks better than what it did. It's not that bad. There are still a few little spots, and maybe in the next, you know, couple weeks I'll clean those again, because I'm sure, you know, it may get a little dirty again, who knows. But yeah, it looks better than what it did look like. I am going to spray the oven right now with just some straight water solution, and then take a towel and dry off everything. That way, you know, none of the residue or, you know, any of the products that I use for this oven cleaning project is left behind, because we don't want that. But the thing is that we did like a DIY all natural products, so that's a good thing. It's only baking soda and vinegar, so it shouldn't really be that harmful, hopefully not. But anyway, so I am going to do that really quick. I'm going to clean the racks because I still haven't really done like a second cleaning of the racks. So I cleaned them initially. They're still not really where I want them to be, but I'm just going to try to do a second cleaning. I'll show you guys that and then show you guys the finished product. All right guys, so here are the racks. They actually look way better than they did before, but like I said, I wasn't really able to get to some of the tough spots like this like I wanted to. The product just wasn't getting anything off. I probably could have gotten to some of like this, for instance. All right, I do recommend getting Brillo pads or something a little bit tougher to scrub like the racks and the oven, because I really had a hard time just using a regular sponge. So I definitely recommend that. But I mean, everything looks really, really good. And honestly, I mean, like I said, there's still some spots kind of left, like small spots. It's bothering me a little bit, but it looks better than what it did, and it makes me feel a lot better about my oven. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys have any DIY cleaning products that I could use to clean the oven other than the vinegar and the baking soda, or if you have any tips that maybe has helped you with cleaning your oven in the past. I would love to know, because honestly, like I said, there are still like little spots left and it's really bothering me. So I will probably clean this again in the next couple days or like weeks or so. I'll probably use a Brillo pad this time, because I definitely need something tougher to scrub the tougher stains. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new. Bye guys.